sabi naman ni Kevin Rez, Coach, have you considered trading on-chain like Hyperliquid Aster for us to view, learn from your trade firsthand? Yeah, nung actually ginagamit namin yung Hyperliquid for our trading competition, yung esport, yun yung gamit namin. When it comes to learning from my trade, ayan, pinopost natin yan sa Discord community natin, especially doon sa Discord community natin na paid, kung saan nandun yung mga bootcamp graduates. Nandun lahat talaga ng discussion namin sa trade. So, ito, papakita ko sa inyo. Okay, so ito guys yung Discord natin, and when it comes to studying our trades, so most of those trades, lagi nating pinopost yan dito sa profits, ayun. So, lagi tayong may discussion dito ng trades natin. Ayan o. So may mga mahaba tayong trade reflection. So dito talagang inaaral natin kung paano ba talaga nag-work yung trading. We don't just post profits na kumita na, paldo na. So here in City, we treat trading professionally. Kumbaga dinadissect talaga natin bakit siya nag-work, bakit siya nag-fail. Kumbaga hindi siya experimental. We treat it as a science. Iti-treat namin siya na bakit nagkamali yung trade na to, bakit siya nag-work. And of course, syempre we also have to be transparent with our losses, bakit hindi nag-work yung trades. Heavy kami sa journaling talaga, and meron kaming mga accountability group. So eto, may mga trade ideas kami dito. Everyone is sharing, everyone is participating. Hindi boring yung Discord, talagang active lahat. So ito, may mga trade reflection sila. So everyone is doing their part, lahat committed and growing. So that's what it looks like for our Discord channel. And of course, syempre kung gusto mo naman ng free, ayaw magbayad, Coach, kasi ang dami ngayon free. Bakit kayo hindi kayo nag-free? Meron din tayong free, no? So for our free community, sali kayo dito guys sa City Open Access. So dito naman, maraming mga lessons dito, maraming ding mga discussions, and definitely we'll also give a free discussion na rin and free lessons for everyone who are interested. Hopefully, it adds value to you, and hopefully, marami din kayong nakita na valuable sa Discord natin that you can also use as a part of your arsenal. So, eto yung itsura ng Discord channel sa loob, and every week meron kaming mga webinars. Ayan, every week yan, every week. Meetups din kami, and lahat ng mga setups meron kami dito. Everyone is sharing. So that's the beauty of having a paid community versus the free community. Kasi sa free community, syempre halo-halo yung tao dun eh. And of course, not everyone are participating because, to put it simply, it's free. Alam mo yun, may option ka na hindi maging committed kasi wala ka namang price to pay eh. But if there's a price to pay, then of course, expect mo na talagang magsisipag ka kasi may binabayaran ka eh. Hindi mo ba sasulitin yung bayad mo? It's a matter of commitment, of course. May nagtanong, Coach, paano ba ako makakasali sa Discord channel na yan? So itong Discord channel na to guys is solely available for who graduated from our bootcamp and our programs. Marami kaming ituturo sa'yo bago ka makapunta dito kasi hindi mo rin magigets kung ano yung pinag-uusapan, what's the essence, bakit namin siya ginagawa, what's the why behind bakit namin siya ginagawa, ano yung motivation, ano yung insight, and ano yung discussion sa loob, and paano ba gumalaw. Kasi with other Discord community, may kanya-kanyang vibe ang community. Yung iba maingay, yung iba magulo, yung iba maayos, yung iba tahimik lang. So there's nothing wrong with that kasi iba-iba yung gusto ng tao eh. Kumbaga, may mga tao na galit sa paid courses, paid community, gaya ng sa akin, no? Galit sa mga ganun. But kung titignan mo sa loob ng paid community, ito yung itsura. Everyone is participating, everyone is respectful with each other. You can relay with someone na lagi mong kausap doon. So, because you are paying for exclusivity and of course, yung experience sa loob. Pero for free, syempre, hindi ka pwede mag-expect na parang bigla kang may magre-reply sa'yo doon agad-agad. There are communities na ganun, pero syempre, hanggang dun lang yung access mo kasi it's free, di ba? Hindi ka pwede mag-demand ng sobra-sobra dahil you have to understand na free yung access na pinuntahan mo. And syempre, the more na maraming tao doon sa community na yun, the more na hindi ka rin nila makikater kasi sa dami nga eh. So that's the two sides of a coin. Kaya I'm not against with paid, I'm not against with free, but I'm against scammers. Scammers, ano yung tsura ng scammers? Ito yung nagpa-promise sila ng service or product sa tao pero hindi nila ma-deliver or sobrang tagal nila ma-deliver.